We feel proud to say God creates life, but pharmacist is the one who is responsible for extending the lifespan, that is by inviting new drugs to enter into the market. It includes a series of steps with multiple changes, and it is the pharmacist who is having the idea about the nature, composition, quality of the drug. The doctor gives life through medicine, but pharmacists give life to medicine. As long as our position resides in the society, we ensure that you are in the same stand. That pharmacists act as a backbone in the safeguarding the health of mankind. Hence, we are proud to represent our divine provision pharmacy in the occasion and proud to be a pharmacist in the Vasudhaiva Kutumbam in this occasion of 65th Republic celebration on behalf of Acharya Nagarjuna University College of Pharmaceutical Sciences. We the pharmacists and pharmacists and promising the higher authorities of ANU that we will create an awareness of drugs in public healthcare system with patriotic spirit. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That is the presentation you have seen. University College of Pharmaceutical Sciences. You will take your own, ladies and gentlemen. Wonderful. యువకులందరూ కూడా ఒక విన్నపం వేదిక వెనక వైపును రక్తదాన శిబిరం ఏర్పాటు చేయబడింది. దయచేసి యువకులు వెళ్ళి గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ సందర్భంగా రక్తదానం చేయవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నారు. లీగల్